Hello guys, welcome to our new video. In this video we will talk about 25 amazing scientific facts that you will really like. And I want to say thanks to all of you for the support you have shown to my channel. We have crossed 100 subscribers within a week, which is a lot to me. So without any further delay, let's start our video. Fact number 1. Do you know the name of the most slippery fluid in the world? It is present in your body only. It is a synovial fluid that helps in movement. Fact number 2. The hydrogen atoms present in your body are 13.5 billion years old because they were created during the birth of the earth. Can you think? Fact number 3. A light particle or a photon takes 40,000 years to travel from the core of the sun to its surface, but takes only 8 minutes 19 seconds to travel from the sun to the earth. This is so amazing. Fact number 4. Do you know that 20% of Earth's total oxygen comes from the Amazon rainforest? Fact number 5. A remarkable transition occurs in helium when it is cooled up to 2.17 Kelvin. This temperature is also known as the lambda point. In this condition, helium acts as a superfluid, which means it has zero viscosity. Viscosity here means the thickness of the fluid. Fact number 6. Blue whales can produce sounds up to 188 decibels, which is the largest sound produced by any animal. And this sound can be heard 530 miles away from the source. Fact number 7. If we travel at the speed of light, which is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, then we will cover the whole earth 7.5 times. Can you imagine? Fact number 8. Although the gaseous form of oxygen is colorless, but its liquefied form is blue in color. Fact number 9. Do you know that bee stings are always acidic and the wasp stings are always basic? Number 10. Gluteus maximus is the largest muscle in the human body. Fact number 11. Female sharks have thicker skin than the male sharks. Fact number 12. There are 118 elements in the modern periodic table, but no elements start with the alphabet J. Do you know this? Fact number 13. Do you know that our tongue can taste in only 0.0015 seconds, which is faster than the blink of the eye? Fact number 14. Helium balloons float in air because helium gas is 14 times lighter than air. Fact number 15. There are 200 gram of NaCl, which means sodium chloride, in average human's body. Fact number 16. Transparent objects are visible because they reflect light. Fact number 17. As far we go above the earth, the time moves faster. This is due to the theory of relativity by Albert Einstein. This event is also known as gravitational time dilation. Fact number 18. Smartphones does not detect some materials due to the electrical charge. Fact number 19. There are some metals such as sodium and potassium that react vigorously with water and acids. Fact number 20. Venus is the only planet in the solar system that can rotate clockwise. Number 21. There are enough DNA in the person's body that can be stretched from Sun to Pluto and from Pluto to Sun 17 times. Fact number 22. The use of very low frequency radios have created a covering round the earth which protects the earth from the radioactive particles. Can you believe it? Fact number 23. In this fact, I will tell the full forms of some of the things that you use in your daily life but you don't know. The full form of SMS is Short Message Service. The full form of PDF is Portable Document Format. The full form of OK is Alla Kalla, which means all correct. It is a Greek word. Fact number 24. Do you know that the longest cell of our body is the motor neuron? Fact number 25. You all know that ozone is a triple oxygen molecule that acts as a protective covering in the stratosphere. During thunder and lightning, the oxygen atoms get ionized and form the ozone gas. The smell that we get during the rain, it's nothing but the smell of this ozone. These are the 25 scientific facts. It is a time for giving a shout out, and shout out to Moumita Boral, Nirmalya Mukherjee and Game Involver for giving the right answer in the previous video. So this is a time for the question, and today's question is, name the most electronegative element in the modern periodic table. The person who will give the right answer will get a shout out in my next video. If you have liked the video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.